Hey guys, Travis Gillespie here. We've got another problem to look at, so let's read through this example. It says one girl and one boy will be chosen to go to the state science fair. The girl finalists are Ruby, Drew, Melissa, Deb, and Erica. The boy finalists are Ryan, Eli, and Nick. How many different pairs of one girl and one boy can be formed? So let's go ahead and highlight key information. Well, I see that the girl finalists are what I want to highlight first, so I'll highlight them in green. Ruby, Drew, Melissa, Deb, and Erica. And the boy finalists, let's go ahead and just highlight these boys in blue. So the boy finalists are Ryan, Eli, and Nick. Now let's look at this last sentence. It's asking how many different pairs, I'm going to choose a new color here, so how many different pairs of one girl, let's go back to that green, of one girl and one boy, we'll go back to that blue there, so one boy can be formed. So it looks like we're combining information. So another trick, when you look at putting pairs together, well, that's another set of combinations. So when you see this word, in fact, I'm misspelling this. In fact, I'm not even going to spell it. I'm just going to say when you see the word pairs, think about combinations, and we know that combinations make us think about multiplying information. So let's just set this information up. Let's just look at the girls first and ask ourselves, how many girls are in this list? Well, there's 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 girls. So I'm going to make a note. There are 5 girls here. And I'm just going to write their names out over here. So we have Ruby, Drew. For Melissa, I'm just going to put M-A-L. And we have Deb, so D-E-B, and Erica. Okay, so there are the 5 girls there. And let's just say I choose that Ruby is going to go to that science fair. Well, she can go with either Ryan, I can combine her with Ryan, I can put her in a pair with Eli here, or I could pair her up with Nick. So it looks like there are 3 boys that I could pair Ruby up with. So let's make a note that there are 3 boys. And one of the boys that Ruby could be paired with is, I'm just going to put capital R for Ryan. The other boy is Eli, so I could put capital E for Eli, or the last one is Nick, so a capital N. So let's go ahead and just combine or pair up these individuals. So Ruby with Ryan, Ruby with Eli, or Ruby with Nick, any of the 3. However, I don't have to select Ruby for the science fair. Drew could be selected to go to the state science fair. And if Drew goes to the state science fair, she could go with the same group of boys. She could go with Ryan, Eli, or Nick. And I'm going to combine these pairs in just a second, but I'm going to continue on with this pattern. So if Mal goes to the state science fair, she could go with any of the 3 boys. The same for Deb. And also the same for Erica. So let's go and fix that E and that N real quick. And I'm going to combine all of these students together. I'm going to pair them up. So Drew with Ryan, Eli, or Nick. The same for Mal. The same for Deb. And the same for Erica. So if I want to solve this problem now and find out how many pairs, different pairs can be formed, well, I can just add up the information in the sample space here. Well, Ruby and Ryan make 1 pair. Ruby and Eli make a 2nd pair. Ruby and Nick make a 3rd pair, and so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. It looks like there could be 15 different pairs, so 15 pairs. But what if I wanted to multiply this information below? I would just take the 5 girls and multiply them by the 3 boys. And we know that 5 times 3 is 15. So we still get 15 pairs.